혜수, stop talking. I wanna take. Hey! Layla, come here.
I got too many stuff on my
혜수, let's go.
Do you know what I'm talking?
How was it? 5.
599's 539. The other one's 499, wasn't it?
Ah, so 10%. So this one, yeah. So or about 10%.
$4.49, wasn't it?
Yeah, $4.49. This one so around $60 discount. This one $50 discount.
Okay.
So.
Very good.
Yep.
Thanks very much.
No problem. Swarovski. Ooh, Star Wars. Mickey Mouse. Pooh. Oh, Pooh coming. I didn't see him. Oh. No, last week. Yeah? Week. Oh, the last one I saw is a Tinkerbell and then Snow White. Wow. Where is it, Doc? Ah, there. So cute. Oh my goodness.
I know, right?
This one is your adorable. Oh, little baby. Oh.
Even mum and dad are gorgeous.
Swarovski jewelers. Show you. Like that, you know? Should be love. Love, love, love. Love, love, love.
Jan,
Hello, how are you?
I need you outside because I have 35 boxes for you.
Sorry,
And
5?
you must give me a hand, for loading. Okay?
Ah, okay.
Thank you. Yeah, go.
You pay me?
Yeah, I pay you.
How much?
$2.50 per hour.
Come on, come on.
But
Come on.
no tax.
Ah! I'm happy to pay tax, sorry.
No tax.
I can get a tax with and then
Yes.
I give me $50. Six to six. 6 to 6. It's working. Yeah. I change the band then. Yeah, no problem. Cozy song. Nice song. Nothing. No green. It's green. And pinky.
These little two-tony.
This one is a clip.
Yep.
So this one goes underneath.
Right. Yep.
And then I'm bending. Okay, so it's going to be getting a bit smaller,
Yep.
but it's not too much loose anyway to you.
Yeah, it's not. It's just that touch too loose. Yeah.
So you happy with that? Because you can see a bit, of course, it's silver color.
Yep, that's all right.
So then, and this one is $8. If you go for with the gold, it's $28.
Okay. Yep.
I think silver fine. So I close.
See nice ones?
Yeah.
Which ones are nice? Little bears? Oh, you show me in a sec and I'll have a look with you because I haven't looked at that sort of stuff before. They look nice. Might give me ideas for next time I have to buy for your mum because she's so hard to buy for.
And some of them is on special.
Oh.
So you can see the red ticket, red cube is sale. Try it.
Yeah, that's heaps better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But
Awesome.
I say if you wear long time, it's gonna be feel loose again.
Yes,
but
that's right for $8. Look, I think I'm only going to wear it when we go to the games.
Yes.
You know, so it's not going to be every day. I haven't even got my wedding rings and that on today, so I normally wear a lot more rings. That's awesome.
No
Thank
problem.
you so much.
No
I shall
problem.
fix you up for that.
Then you wanna have a look?
Yeah, let's have a look,
Yeah.
eh?
Okay. 1 second.
I'll
I
just
got a
give you
key.
Thanks for that.
우와, 소리 진짜 크게 났어, 혜수. 혜수 또 해봐. 오, well done, 혜수. 저녁 먹습니다. 양파, 돼지고기, 김치 볶은 거.
제일 맛있는 거.
제일 맛있는 거는 혜수가 보여주는 거는. 제일 맛있는 건 여기 마늘종이 들어있어요. 마늘종. 혜수가 좋아하는 마늘종. 빠빠는 이렇게 잘 먹겠습니다.